Imagine this. You just got your first real paycheck. You open your banking app and see $1,000 sitting there. For the first time, that money feels completely yours. And then something strange happens. A new phone suddenly feels affordable. A nicer dinner doesn't seem like a big deal. Maybe you buy some clothes, upgrade your headphones, order food a few times, and tell yourself, I worked for this. I deserve it. A few days later, you check your account. $147. And somehow, you have no idea where the other $853 went. Here's the scary part. You didn't necessarily make a terrible financial decision. You made a very normal psychological decision. And that is exactly why this mistake is so common. When most people receive their first paycheck, they think about what they can buy. Very few people think about what that paycheck can build. That's the $1,000 mistake. You treat your first paycheck like spending money instead of using it as the foundation for your financial life. And your brain actually encourages this. Because when your income suddenly increases, your brain doesn't immediately think, great. Let's build wealth. It thinks, what can I afford now? That's why the first paycheck can be dangerous. Not because $1,000 is a lot of money, but because of what it teaches you to do with money. Let's say Sarah gets her first $1,000 paycheck. She spends $150 on clothes, $100 on restaurants and takeout, $200 on entertainment and shopping. Then another $150 disappears through small purchases she barely remembers. She still has $400. So she thinks, I'm doing pretty well. But here's the problem. The $600 she spent is gone forever. The $400 she has left is the only part of her paycheck that can still do something for her future. Now imagine Sarah makes one small change. Instead of spending the entire paycheck, she immediately moves $200 into a separate savings or investment account. Now she has $800 available to spend. Nothing dramatic happened. She didn't become extremely frugal. She simply paid her future self first. And this is where psychology becomes important. Money that sits in your checking account feels available. If you see $1,000, your brain thinks you have $1,000 to spend. But if you automatically move $200 somewhere you don't regularly see, your brain starts thinking, I have $800. You've changed the environment instead of relying on willpower. And that's much easier. There's another important lesson here. Your first paycheck isn't really about the $1,000. It's about creating your money identity. If your first experience with earning money is, I earn money, so I spend